What's going on, guys? My name is Alex Hampton or AC Hampton, and thank you so much for coming to my first video and my first YouTube channel. So, I wanted to go and discuss to you guys a couple different things about what I do in e-commerce and how I got into the game and basically how I got to the level that I'm in right now. But we'll take it video by video, week by week, and I can't wait to, give these ideas and these thoughts and strategies to you guys. So as you guys can tell, I have scaled 6 and 7 figure online e-commerce businesses. This is one of my stores. This is from zero to $1.7 million in 9 months. So as you guys can tell, 1.680 million, like 1.7 million in 9 months. Like it's been a crazy ride, and I'm just like very, very grateful to be able to present this to you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So this first video is about how I found my winning product, how I find $10,000 daily products, how I find $15,000 day products. So this is my kind of exact strategy that I know will work to find multiple winning products. But before we get into this, if you want to find winning products even more efficiently and more effectively in a less time manner, I am providing 950 winning products, a 7-figure $1 million ad strategy, a pre-built theme, and more in my course I have available with the link below. So go ahead and check that out. It has a lot of my advanced strategies. It's a beginner-friendly course from A to Z, teaching you everything that I've done to get $1 million stores, $2 million stores, and more. So go ahead and check that out with the link below. All right, so my number one priority whenever I decide to go and find products is I always find a product that solves a problem, no matter what. Like it has to solve a problem because I know that it's easier to sell to people when they need something or they feel they need something more or less than when they want it. So like for example, if I'm going to go and buy a t-shirt online, I don't know if I necessarily need that shirt, so I might second guess it, right? But like, let's say I have, back problems, and then this awesome posture corrector comes out and it helps save backs and, whatever. I will buy that product on site because I know that I need it and my back is hurting. But on top of that, I'll probably buy multiple because one, I might need it in different locations. And two, I might know more people that have the same problem I have, so it's easier just to buy it in bulk. So that's another huge thing that you guys should be focusing on. So what also with problem solving, what it does is it always has impulse buys. Like that is the best thing about it is they're not going to be scrolling up and down your product description. They're not going to be like looking all around. They're like they see your advertisement and they're like, I need this. Like I need this. Buy it right then and there. No second guessing at all. So just keep that in mind whenever you're deciding to like run different ads because I know that things that have problems or solve problems always will sell better than ones that just are simultaneously little like games or anything like that. So let's get into it. So how I start off by finding products is I go on Facebook and I'll go into the search bar, right? So I'll type in different keywords such as free shipping, free worldwide shipping, get yours here, get yours now, etc. So I'll type that into the search bar up here and it'll come up into the section of all. What I do is I go to videos because video ads convert a lot more efficiently than any other ad. I mean, when you can see something, you can tell if it works or not. So obviously people are going to be more interested into the video. So I usually come around and I'll like look for videos that have over 100,000 views, ones that have at least like 1,000 comments and like 1,000 shares. So you can see I go to the current month or the previous month and I look for videos that have over 100,000 plus views, lots of comments and lots of shares because that indicates that people are legit like interested in this product and they really like want this product. So I usually scroll up and down. It's like 213,000. It's like 1.2 million from November 8th, so that's pretty new. 404,000. So you can see like a lot of these have got a lot of great engagement. 1.7 million since May 8th. Like that's really good too. But let's go ahead and just look at this one since it's kind of like the most current one. And I'm going to turn off this sound because I know it's going to be loud. All right, defrosting food fast and correctly is challenging. Okay. When in a rush, being creative can lead to unhealthy results. So they're telling you problems that you currently have, and they're gonna fix. See, I knew right away they were gonna come and show you what they can do for the solution. So that's how you have to run your ads. It's something similar to this, by the way, but we'll take that down the road. So it defrosts. I mean, it solves a problem really fast. I mean, you can get straight to cooking right after work. Cleans really easily. It's very accessible. Get it now. So let's go ahead and look at, so they have a good product description. And what we also do is like I'll come over here and I'll go to the link on their page, and I'll go and see if they are still currently running this ad. So what I'll do is I'll go into this thing called page transparency, and it says they are currently running ads. So let's go to their ad library, and as you guys can tell, they're still running ads for this product. They're still running ads for this product. The main thing in this game is never try to reinvent the wheel, right? Like, never try to reinvent the wheel. If something is currently working for somebody, you see the engagement that they're getting, you see that the amount of likes and comments that they got. This is a good winning product right here. It definitely solves an issue, and they're still currently running ads, and this, has been about a month now. So definitely keep that in mind. Like when you go and look at different products and you go and spy on your competitors, go and make sure that they're still making or they're still spending money, because if somebody's spending money, they're making money. So just keep that in mind. This is a very good product, I believe, and that's one of the methods that I would use to kind of look on Facebook for different keywords. So that's one way. So like I said, free shipping, free worldwide shipping. Use those different keywords. Look for videos that have a lot of engagement, a lot of comments, a lot of views. And then page transparency. Page transparency obviously shows you if the ads are currently running or not. Another way that I kind of find products is on Aliexpress. So if we go to Aliexpress and we're looking for high winning products, you can just kind of look through the different niches that they have. So for example, right, the categories, I like to kind of stay with ones I know that sell really well. So let's go ahead and jump into pet, because I know pet stuff sells really well. And we'll start scrolling, and we'll always go by orders. Orders, because if something sold a lot, that means they were obviously being advertised a lot. So people are making a lot of good money on it. So I usually scroll down, or anything that has over 1,000 orders. So as you can tell, these have a lot, like 29,000, 22,000, 21,000. I know this one right here, I think is a really good product. So we'll go into it and we'll just look into it. We'll see the different variations that they have, kind of like the problem solving that they have, correct? So as you can tell, anti-lost, no car accident. That's a good problem solver, right? They have multiple different colors so that, this also helps with having upsells, right? So if, they wanted a blue one and a red one and a pink one, and they wanted to get their other dog a different color, this definitely helps with, like, being able to upsell them with multiple different products. And you just kind of look at, their site or on their page, and you see basically, okay, like, what is this doing? Can this be sold? And then we'll look at the price next, right? So I like to stay in a price range of between like $14 max. So if you're using the $14 max kind of rule, this allows you to scale a lot more efficiently and a lot more effectively, because you have a more of a profit margin that you're willing to work with, right? So if you have it for if you get it for, let's see what it said again. If you get it for $3 and you sell it for 15 to 20, that's going to be able to let you run ads on it more like in a better profit margin way. So this is definitely a really good product right here as well. And what I'll also do is, if I find this and I'm like, okay, this looks pretty good, LED dog collar, I'll come into Google Trends, right? And I'll type in LED, dog collar. And we'll kind of see what the trend is looking like. So in the last 12 months, you can see that it went down a little bit, but it is picking up really fast right now. So at the end of the year, you can see that it is up trending. So honestly, like, this is not a bad product either. You could definitely start selling this. You see that a lot of people have sold it, right? You see that there's a lot of positive reviews, 4.8 stars. You see that there's multiple different variations, so you can have a lot of upsells. So your order value can go from $15, right? So let's say that you're selling it for 15 to going up to $45 because people bought different colors and different sizes. So, and it solves a really good problem of obviously anti loss and no car accident. You can find your dog or your any type of pet at any time of the night. So this is definitely a good winning product. And the last thing that I like to do is I like to go on Google Trends, or sorry, excuse me, I like to go on Ecom Hunt. So Ecom Hunt allows you to find products that are currently selling, and it updates every single day. So you see how this says posted 2 days ago, posted 2 days ago, posted 3 days ago. So I usually will scroll through here, and it's awesome. It shows you different categories. So if you had different niches, like let's say you were mothering kids, you're selling like baby products, or you're selling dog products like we were just looking at, or camping and hiking. It shows you different categories of products so that you can fit into the niche that you are obviously in, unless you're doing just a general store. Well, I usually will look on here and I'll just look around, kind of see what will solve a problem. Like, honestly, I will just look for what solves a problem, and that would be the first thing I'll do. So 2-in-1 ceramic rotating curling iron brush, I mean, that could definitely help. Bluetooth speaker mobile phone holder, that could definitely help. Let's just look around. We'll find some more awesome ones. Wireless portable handheld Bluetooth, nope. What solves? The fruit pacifier, this definitely solves a problem. This helps with your babies a lot. I've actually seen some ads for this, so let's go ahead and check it out. So what Ecom Hunt allows you to do is it allows you to basically see what the product cost is, see what the selling price is, see what the profit margins are, and it will even give you like introducing the fruit pacifier, like the whole product description that you would have on your page. So it's also like a really good feature. Different pictures, and the awesome cool things about it is you can look at the ads that are currently being ran for it. So for example, if we wanted to come over here, we can see the ads that are actually being ran. So babies are in love with this fruit pacifier. It's a perfect way to introduce solid foods. So you see how they are definitely showing that, this is solving a problem. Easily opens up to place fruits into the pacifier. So this is definitely something that could, possibly work. But this is more or less, I just wanted to show you guys on Ecom Hunt, what else it can do. It'll send you straight to the Aliexpress link, right? So it'll show you exactly where on Aliexpress you can buy it. And then you can see multiple different variations, multiple different colors. It'll show you pictures down here, the sizes that you're able to get for upsells as well. 7,000 orders. So this isn't really bad. This is not a bad product at all. This is not a bad product at all. It's really not at all. So you can also go, and see your competitors on Amazon. You can see the stores that are currently being sold with it. So here's a whole entire store that's selling the exact product. So you can definitely take from your competitors' ideas and make them better and stronger on your page. So this is definitely something that's a very strong tool, and you should definitely take advantage of it because why not? It also gives you demographics, right? So whenever you're running your ads, it'll be like new parents, 0 to 12 months. This is like an interest that Facebook basically puts people in. Parents with toddlers, 0 to 1, 2, or 1 to 2 years old. So this is definitely a tool that I love to use. It shows so many good different ratings, and it's very vital to basically how I find my products. And there's another thing called Aliexpress. I'm actually not going to pull this one up, but say you find a product, let's say the dog LED dog collar. What it allows you to do is it will allow you to go to, well, we can actually look at it. What it allows you to do is basically just look at every single other competitor's ad that is currently running this product. So there's like a search bar up here. You type in LED dog collar, and it'll show you every single ad that is currently being ran on Facebook. Well, guys, this is the end of this video. I have a lot of more awesome finding winning product strategies in my course with the description below. And I have 950 winning, proven, tested products that I know have worked for me and for a lot of my other colleagues before as well. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for joining my page, coming and seeing this video, taking the time out to be able to learn something new. I can't wait to show you guys every single week. My course is called Supreme Ecom. My name is Alex Hampton, and thank you guys so much for watching my channel.